Hey, what's up, Caps Ninjas? Sensei Lance here. Got a few of our Caps Ninjas out here today, and what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing game one of our quickness drills, and this is going to be a video. We're going to be doing an obstacle course. Now, here's the thing. I really like obstacle courses, and I'll tell you why. Because one, obstacle courses they can challenge you in many different ways. They can challenge you as far as your quickness, your balance, your speed, your agility, your focus, all sorts of things that a young warrior needs in this world today. All right, so that's one great thing. But the other great thing about it is obstacle courses are fun. They can be fun. A normal fighter workout for a young person today can probably be kind of boring, kind of hard, and not exciting at all for them to be doing. But an obstacle course, you can get some of those same training drills in, some of those same attributes out of them, and it's a lot of fun. And I think you'll see it in the video today. We had a lot of fun doing this. All right, y'all, here we go. All right, Caps Ninjas, back here. Here we are. Now we're getting ready for the quickness challenge. I've got Ninja Jacks. I've got Ninja Cat running the course today. Now what they're going to do, I got Sensei Alex here. He's got the noodle in his hand. He's very excited because he gets to swing at people today. All right, he is going to swing. The whole idea, they're going to have to duck underneath. Then they have to run. They have to touch this cone. And then they have to run. They have to touch this cone. Then they have to run. They have to touch this cone. Then they move over here, run over here, touch this cone. And then they run over here and they do the flying kick of their choice. So this should be a lot of fun. All right, let's see. Okay, we got Ninja Cat. Ladies first today. All right. Ninja Cat, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, here we go. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. And go. Oh, big duck. First cone. Second cone. Good, 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 good. Third cone. Fourth cone. Big kick. Ah! Good job. Good job. All right. I like that. That was quick. That was quick. Okay. Ninja Jacks, it is your turn. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Good deal. All right, ready and go. Whoa, good duck. All right, to the first cone, to the second cone, to the next cone, to the next cone. Big kick. Hey, good job. Trying to knock it down. Well, that's a good goal. Knocking the bag down is a good goal. It means it's a powerful kick. Okay, now. All right, now that was pretty good. Pretty good. But I think you can do it even better. That was your practice round. I think you can do it better. All right, Ninja Cat, you think you can do it better?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Ready, go. Oh, big duck, good. First cone. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. Next cone. There, and big kick. Wow, good job. Excellent. Excellent. All right, Ninja Jacks. Ooh, I'm getting in the line of fire. I'm dangerous. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Ready and go. Oh, big duck. That's it. Good. Touch that cone. That's it. Good, good, good. Good hustle, good hustle, good hustle. Touch the other cone. Big kick. Wow. Good job. Excellent. All right. All right, so here we are. And the Caps Ninjas have requested a third run. I think they can do it better. Let's see. All right, Ninja Cat, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now be careful because Sensei Alex is swinging pretty fast. Okay, so let's be careful. All right, ready and go. Oh, big duck. Good. Touch the cone. Next cone. Next cone. Good. This cone here. Good. Big kick. Ah, good job. Very nice. That was fast. That was very fast. All right. Working on that.
Ninja Jackson thinks that he's not gonna get the same swing as everybody else. I think I'm gonna have to go a little harder.
You're going a little harder?
Yes, sir.
You heard that, right? Okay. All right, let's see it. Ready, go. Ah, good. Touch that cone. Touch this cone. Touch the next cone. Touch this cone. Big kick. Ah, good job.
Not straight.
Well, that's okay. We're working. We're practicing. That was awesome.